Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Android version, carrier, SIM registration, and the phone model. This impacts the fix. Once done, backup contacts and create a quick restore point so you can undo changes if something goes wrong. Then enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to use ADB tools. This lets you inspect system logs and change caller ID settings. You're starting practical steps immediately to avoid wasted time and prepare for deeper troubleshooting ahead. You now diagnose why unknown numbers appear. First, check phone app permissions for contacts, caller ID, and phone access. Lacking permission can show unknown. Next, isolate network problems by toggling airplane mode, reinserting the SIM, and testing with a different SIM to see if the issue is carrier side. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party dialer conflicts, and if you're comfortable, use ADB and Logcat to capture runtime errors affecting caller ID resolution. To resolve, clear the phone app cache and data or uninstall its updates, then restart. This often restores proper number display. Next, verify contact entries, use international prefixes and sync settings across Google or carrier accounts so names match incoming ID. Once done, test by calling from a known number. If the problem remains, factory reset as a last resort or contact your carrier for network-level CLID issues. One tip: try the same SIM in another phone to confirm whether the phone or carrier is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.